Hello students, we are continuing with the chapter microorganisms and the topic is going on useful microorganisms. Okay, so what is the another use of microorganisms? That is in the medicine purpose or medicinal purpose. So some bacteria, some protozoa like bacteria and fungi used to make antibiotics. Some bacteria and fungi used to make antibiotics. Now the topic comes antibiotic. What is antibiotic? So antibiotic simply, as a name suggests, antibiotic. Anti means against, biotic means living organism. Okay, anti means against, biotic means living organism. So antibiotics are the medicines. You can say the medicine, tablets, okay, capsules or injections. Okay, these are antibiotics. The antibiotics are used to kill or to stop the growth of microorganisms. Okay, when we get ill, so the doctor give us some medicines along with the antibiotics. So these are the antibiotics. Actually, these antibiotics are made up of bacteria and fungi. Few examples of the antibiotic is simple streptomycin. Okay, streptomycin, streptomycin. Okay, tetramycin, penicillin. Okay, these are the antibiotics which is made up of bacteria and fungi. So the first antibiotic was given by Alexander Fleming. Penicillin, used to kill or to stop the growth of microbes. But one precaution must be there, that antibiotics should not be taken without the prescription of the doctor. What is the reason? Because if you take antibiotic in high dose, if you are taking high dose of antibiotics, then the antibiotic can kill the useful microorganisms which are present in our body, the beneficial microorganisms. So we should not take antibiotic by our side. It should be prescribed by the doctor. Okay. Next topic is vaccines. Okay, vaccines. So vaccine actually, let us talk something about antibodies. Then I told you about the vaccines. Okay, so antibodies are made up by our body when any pathogen or any invader or pathogen enter in our body. Okay, antibodies means anti against, bodies means any living organism. So any living organism which is harmful to us, it is said to be pathogen. यानी कि the harmful microorganism known as pathogens. Harmful microorganism, are known as pathogen. Okay, pathogen. So any pathogen or any invader means outside कोई भी any foreign body enter in our body, then our body started making antibodies to fight against the invaders or pathogens. So this is depend on our immunity, that how much our immune system is strong, how good we eat. So we talk about balanced diet, that we must have the balanced diet in our food to make or to build up our immunity. Simply, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet is that diet, a diet which contains all the nutrients in right amount. A diet which contains all the nutrients in right amount. There should be proper nutrients. All the nutrients means protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat, minerals, and all the nutrients in the right amount. But we should not go for any one meal, any one specific sabji. We must have vegetables in our food, we must have rice, we must have pulses, we must have salad, we must have curd, we must have milk. Okay, so it is all the diet, this complete diet contains all the nutrients in the right amount. So we must take all the types of food, because it contains the different types of food contain different types of items, nutrient, as the protein is in the dal pulses. In the pulses, the amount of the protein is more. Carbs, carbohydrates are present in potato, sweet potato. Okay, so we must have all the kinds of food, including fruits also. Okay, and milk is said to be complete food because it contains mostly all the nutrients in the proper amount. So we must have milk twice in a day or in at night time. Okay, so this is balanced diet. So I told you about antibodies. Antibodies is built up in our body by our body, and secondly, antibodies can be built by vaccine. So vaccine is made up of dead or weak virus, dead or weak microorganism. I cannot say only a virus, I can say dead or weak microorganism. So simply, vaccines are made up of dead or weak microorganisms. When dead or weak microorganisms are introduced in our body, orally or by injections, then our body started producing antibodies like WBC. It activate WBC, white blood cell activate and fight against harmful microorganisms, or you can say pathogens, or we can say invaders. Okay, so this is how vaccines work. Okay, so vaccine is introduced by Edward Jenner. Okay, so first vaccine was introduced by the Edward Jenner. Okay, thank you.